Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. So friends, if this is your first time here, we would so love to have you. Our mission at Designing with Letitia McKinney is to inspire our audience with unique and signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So if you like what you see, we would love for you to subscribe and click that notification bell so every time we upload, you will be the first to know. Good afternoon, friends. Okay, so what we are working on Vlogmas 17 or 18, I don't know. But anyway, what we're doing, I am going to mix these, like the gold and this pink right here. I'm not going to do like everything on camera because I think it'll be like a 30-minute video. So my patience is too short to be doing all that. But anyway, I got these Designed by Me bead mix from Walmart. Got that from Walmart. And I also got this chalk paint from Walmart as well. So you can see if I start painting, I got this from the Dollar Tree and I just wanted to, I was playing with it last night, although I was supposed to be going to bed. But anyway, I'll start playing with this last night because I've never placed any, oh Lord. Y'all, I don't like these no edit videos. But anyway, I was I have never placed any paint on any of these foam, like the foam, you know, that you use for the plants stuff. I have never done that before. So I was just trying it out. And it was coming out pretty nice to me because what I'm going to do, I'm going to like place some of these Designed by Me bead mixes on here. But before I do that, I'm going to place brooches on here and stuff as well. And let me pick up this Noel. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This is cute. Have that Noel like right there. And then also, let me see, can I find it? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. This would be cute on there as well. I'm thinking about doing that. I may or may not. But remember, I'm going to do a final reveal with, you know, with everything on there. So I'm going to have like the Noel right here. We're going to mix in these two. I'm going to have to get my silver glitter. That's like in the office area. So that's what I'm going to do there. So the only thing that I am doing, I am just, this is what I'm doing. Because this is so thick and this is it already has like a matte finish. I am just placing the paint on there like that. And I am just freestyling with this paint. Like I don't have to, oh man. Oh, it wasn't doing that last night. Well, no, it did it then. But anyway. Sweetheart, can you give me a napkin, please? Because I just placed, it just got on my sequence and I thought it wasn't going to do that. So I am just taking the paint and just going around. I'm serious, y'all. It was not doing that. It was just staying on top. Thank you. And I got it on. But this is a DIY table, so I'm not really worried about it. So just going around. And I'm starting like with this top area. And I'm going to do like 2 layers because I'm not really worried about it. Because I'm going to be doing like the beads and stuff. Placing the beads on there. The glitter, the beads that you can get from Walmart or the Dollar Tree beads right here. So I'm going to be placing all of that on here and just really glamming this up. So that's what I'm doing right here. And just, I'm sorry for the bloopers, y'all. I wasn't doing that. Oh. But I want to keep it sincere because I said no edit video. So, all right. So we're just going to continue to just go all around with it. And it dries like this. Hopefully you guys can see that because I really can't see. So this is how it dries out. Like I didn't do this side. So this is how it dries out. It dries out with this matte finish. But that is okay because I was trying it out. And that's how it came out. Basically, not the way I wanted it to come out. But it is okay because we're going to go back with the glitter and we're just going to sprinkle it up some. And the brooches that I'm going to use, remember we're going to use these beads. But however, I'm going to step it up with different type of brooches. Brooches you have probably seen because I have the mixed pack from Totally Dazzle and some that we used to have on our store, on our website. So I am going to just mix it up, dazzle it up. But remember, I do not want to do all of this on camera because it will be like probably a 30-minute video because I am just freestyling with this. Don't know how it's going to come out, but we'll just see. I don't know. So it dries pretty quickly. So I'm just going to work with the inside part now. So I'm just going to place it on here. So it doesn't matter. It's a DIY table anyway. It doesn't matter. So we're just going to go in the inside right there. It dries very quickly. And I just want to see how this was going to turn out. I have never done this before, y'all. Never with any of the foam. Just never, because it has this look. See that look? It has like this look where it's real rough. It has this rough look. But we're just going to take the glitter and just, you know, camouflage it. And I'm just going to go all the way around. So you guys, hopefully you can kind of get that vision of what I'm talking about. And I'm going to have a part 2 segment on it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a part 2 segment on this. So this is what I'll be working on today. So I have a part 2 segment on this. You know, just because I don't want to hold up you guys' time and have y'all just watching me paint and me just talk. And y'all watch me paint and me just talk, which I think is boring. So I'm good like that. Just make sure it's covered very well. Yeah. So that's what we're doing with this Dollar Tree one. Hopefully you guys can see this well, because I really don't know because I'm sitting down. You guys are on the tripod today. So, and I'll show you all some other stuff. So you may get about 3 videos today. You may get about 3. Okay, so hopefully this turned out right because I still have to show you all what I did because I want to be as honest. I want to be honest. So, but I think it's going to turn out cute. It's going to be really, really pretty. I really think it's going to be really gorgeous. So my goal is to get it like this. That's my goal, is to at least get it as close to this as possible. As close, but not too close to it because it'll knock this off, and I still want this to stand out with the glitter. So I don't want to have it too close together, you know, in the colors, if that, you know, hopefully that makes sense to you all. If not, I don't mind doing a tutorial and explaining it a little bit more of what I was talking about. All right, so that is it for now. And I will have a part 2 segment on this of mixing it up and then just mixing this up. Sorry, you guys. Not so long got up. Mixing it up and just seeing how it goes on here. I'm probably going to hot glue these on here. That's probably what I do. And I have some more of these right here. These stones here. Right there. So I'm not doing any pictures, insert or anything. I'm just totally flowing with it. Just going straight off. I may use the pearls on there too, y'all. I may use... Oh, man. Let me see. Well, I'll just bring it up here. I may use some of these pearls. See, I may use some of these pearls. And that DIY that I did with like the, let me see. Oh, it won't come out. You know, when I place these on here, I would not be using, I was looking at that video and I was just like, But if you want to do a DIY on that, you can, you know, sprinkle some glitter and stuff on there, like whatever glitter you would like, and, you know, place some glitter on. But I would not be doing that because it's just a thought that I have for anyone who was doing like a white winter wonderland. But that is not what I will be doing, is a winter white wonderland. I'm using a very elegant glam theme this year. So that's what I'm going to be doing because like I said yesterday before your girl went out, is that I want to keep it simple and elegant. And like my husband is saying, don't have all that stuff cluttered up on the table. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is something like the pearls. What just happened? Okay. There's so many brooches that I will be placing on there. Can you envision that? Some of these brooches I will be placing on there. I'm going to reach across here. And they'd be going on her one. Isn't that beautiful? Yes. Yes, girl. Yes. So let me go ahead and just finish this out with doing the painting. Then I will come back on doing the glitter. And then once the glitter dries up, then we'll start placing the brooches on there. Where's my time now? I think I'm already at like 10 minutes. Okay, talking too long. Okay, you guys, I will see you guys in a few, probably this evening. Thank you guys for tuning in with these more freestyle videos. Remember, we're just doing this just for the Vlogmas. Everybody who's following and you're new, we're just doing it until Vlogmas till we're completely done, okay? All right, everyone, thank you so much. Blessings to you all and see you guys this evening.